Scotty, what are you doing?
Placing all 9 bulbs in the dash.
In the new cluster?
Yep.
The new to us cluster?
Yep, the new to us cluster.
Ooh, that's nasty.
So, one, it'll make it easier for him to see his dashboard at night.
I mean, now that we have lights that work.
Yeah. There was a nice little fix. I personally would love to know the company.
Wow.
The company that did the work on this car.
That did the horrendous work on this car?
Correct. Because this is a lot. I mean, minus this part.
Yeah, because this is just...
Yeah, no one knew. I mean, and I understand that.
This is a known good used cluster.
Yes, correct.
From Camaro Specialties?
Camaro Specialties in East Aurora, New York.
East Aurora, New York. New York!
Which is about almost 2 hours from where I used to live in New York. So, and I've been dealing with them for 32 years.
Well, you're old, so...
Well, this is true. But they are the only place, even back in the day, that only deals with...
Back in the Dizzy?
Yeah. Did I do that one?
I don't remember.
All right, let's just go this way. For the Camaros of this era, the Trans Ams, the Firebirds, they are phenomenal.
Yeah, they got us the correct seatbelt
Yep.
surrounds.
The horn piece, the air conditioning surround, plus the bracket and holder, the proper screws to go with it, the proper screws to put the seatbelt covers in place, with the screws, and I don't know if I showed you guys, there's like a little twist tab that kind of holds everything together.
Oh,
so
that little bar.
Yeah, so that it doesn't do one of these numbers while it's in the
rod.
car. That came with it. I mean, just absolutely, absolutely phenomenal company to deal with. I cannot stress it enough. If you guys have a Camaro, Trans Am, or Firebird from this genre, best place in the world to get parts.
Second gen F body.
That's right, baby.
Look at Scotty go.
An entire package of just bulbs.
Into this car today.
Yep.
All right. Well, we will restock. You all right, Scotty?
I need to get a pair of pliers.
You need a pair of pliers.
Last bulb in.
You need a pair of pliers.
Yeah, I do. So, that being said, we've got one more to go. And then I can start putting this back in the car, get the speedometer cable on. I love that connection.
Yep.
That
and
just
remember,
makes
there's 2 speedometer cables. You got to change both of those.
Yep.
Which is going to be fun times.
Yep, but we're running low on time for the day, so I want to get as much done as I can today for the moment, so that we keep within the hours that we've been allotted. I don't want to break those ever. And we keep our client happy. And from what I know right now, he's happy.
Yeah.
So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you on the next hour.